Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to a cool special place. If you saw the episode of the TuxMat installation when I got the TuxMats for this Model 3 and I put them in, we're going to go check out where they make them. Well, actually, sorry, not where they make them, but where they sell them. Luckily, fortunately for me, I live in the Greater Toronto area, and that's where the head office of TuxMat is. So we're going to head out there and we'll see what's going on there. Oh, you gotta love autopilot in this rush hour traffic. You know, these TuxMats I've had for about a few weeks, maybe a month, and they're holding up great so far. I mean, I don't expect that they won't. There's a, you know, with that video I made, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it just above here. Check it out. If you're interested in mats for your Model 3, check out that video and see what it's like. But there's a funny story behind that. Interesting, not funny. So what happened is I put that video up. It was a huge success. I mean, a lot of people commented that they liked the video and they were looking for mats, and they've decided to go with them, or decided at least to look into them. So that's what I mean by success. I don't care about the views and stuff like that, but it did attain a lot of views. So much so that a few people, or a number of people, I don't know exactly how many, they decided to use the TuxMats after seeing the video or purchasing them. So they call to order them, or they order them online or whatever, and somehow, some way, they said that they saw my review of my video on YouTube and stuff like that. So this nice lady named Ayanda, I haven't met her, I only spoke to her on the phone. She reached out to me via YouTube and said, you know what, get in contact with us. We want to talk to you. And then I decided, you know, let me contact them. I owe it to them at least just to contact them to see what's up. And it was nothing but friendly, thankful people that I spoke to. And she went on to say that they were so thankful. They got a lot of response from the video, and they want to make it back up to me. So full disclosure, what's happening, folks? I'm going there. They're coming out with, and it's not released yet, they're coming out for 3 more mats other than the interior mats. They're coming out with 1 for the frunk and 2 for the back, actually. 2 for the back trunk. 1 for the regular trunk area and 1 for that lower, you know, that lower cavern area, that sub area, I guess you could say, that small hole. They're coming out 1 for that too. So 3 mats altogether for the trunk and the frunk. And they've just had them laser measured and stuff like that, and they need a car to have it tested to see if it fits. So I'm going out there right now to see if it fits, and they were nice enough to say, because of the success of the video and the increased sales that the video, I guess, gave, that they're going to give me these mats at no cost. So full disclosure, I'm not paying for these mats. These ones in the car right now, I purchased the front passenger and driver, and the rear ones I paid for, and I made the video anyways, because just that's what I do, right? But these ones that I'm getting, if they fit and if they're a good fit, they're giving it to me. They're, I guess, how would you say, they're gifting it to me anyways. So I will do a review on it. Not that they asked me to do one. I will do, just like I did a review and an installation on these interior ones. I will do one for the front and the trunk. For the frunk and the trunk, and we'll see what it goes where it goes from there. Okay, we are here. Just gotta find what unit number it is. There we go. Welcome to TuxMat, everyone. Okay, folks, we're at TuxMat, and anyone that has a Model 3, remember how the center console for the front mats didn't really stick on the sides to the center console? What they've decided to do is give us free, they didn't even, we didn't have to complain or anything. They're shipping out free Velcro strips, these strips right here, and they're, we're actually here at the center where they're packaging them up and they're shipping them out to everyone. So if you got one of your Model 3 mats from TuxMat, get ready because you're going to be getting these Velcro strips very, very shortly. So the guys here at TuxMat are nice enough to try this. This is for the first time. This is like a prototype mat, so to speak. We're just going to see if it fits. They've laser tested it, and it should be a nice snug fit. As you can see, it's the same material, like the non-slip pattern that they use on the interior for the driver side and passenger and rear side, and that little emblem there that says TuxMat.
So basically one goes onto the inside of the mat, one goes right here.
Yep.
And we'll just do like a few along the side here. That's gonna solve the problem.
Perfect. Okay, and that's the finished product, folks. As you can see, it is stuck there. It is right up against the center console. It isn't going anywhere. With that said, it's easy to remove if you need to, but it doesn't get in the way. It's not going to encumber your feet or your right foot, which is very important. That's where the accelerator is. And it's not going to get in the way. And that is the solution, and that is a permanent fix, and it looks like it'll work. It'll work great. And this is the passenger side, as you can see. We were talking about here. You can see when they come off and they go back on. There are two sides. One side for obviously the center console and the other side for the inside of the mat. When you take the mats in and out, either side won't come off and stick to the other side. They're very strong automotive adhesive on each of them. And once they're in, you just press them firmly and leave them pressed for a little bit, a few seconds, and they're not coming off after that, folks. Okay, folks, now this is the trunk liner we're going to test out here. This is the, how do we call it? The
bottom, the back trunk bottom.
The back trunk bottom. Sorry for the non-vacuuming part there. But if I'm not mistaken, this is the first company that's actually made a liner for this bottom piece. People, Tesla has the liner for the whole back trunk and the frunk, but nobody has a liner for this actual bottom part here. So that's how it sits. It fits perfectly. Then when you slide over the partition, and this is the large trunk liner as the guys are installing it here. As you can see how quick and easy it is to install, and it's just as quick and easy to take out if you need to. But this will protect your Model 3. It still has that vinyl design. It looks like a non-slip design with the embroidered or embossed TuxMat logo right there. Nice and classy. And a perfect fit. As you can see inside, folks, I don't know if you can make it out. It fits like a glove.
Over time, once you put stuff on that, I'll fix the whole thing.
Yeah, and that is the front liner, folks. We've added a couple little dots of Velcro to keep it down a little bit, but you don't need to. You can leave it as is. But if you want to have it sit down a little bit more, a couple of things of Velcro doesn't hurt. Okay, folks, and that's it. That is TuxMat here in Canada. Amazing staff there. Spoke to Colin. Colin was the guy that was installing it. Colin is the owner. I'm sure he doesn't mind me telling you this story. Colin is the owner. He started this company just a short while ago because he couldn't find good quality, decent mats for his vehicles, so he started up this company on his own, and we are here where we are today. And the success, and the you know, with the success and the huge demand for at least the Model 3 mats, I mean, they've been going crazy. If you ordered your mats and you haven't got it yet, rest assured they told me I'm not a speaker on their behalf, don't get me wrong or anything, but they're working as hard as they can to get everyone their mats in a timely manner and timely fashion. So hang in there, folks. Your mats are on their way. They will get there in time. And these new ones, I say, if it's anything like the last ones, the interior mats for the floor liners, if they're any indication of how these trunk and frunk mats are going to be, order them early, folks. That's my best advice to you. Order them early. They feel awesome. They feel just like these. The fit, that was their first attempt. Like my car, I guess they had another car. They scanned it and did the laser scanning and everything and tested it out. And then they put it into manufacturing and made a prototype. These guys, you know, home run right out of the park the first time with these trunk liners and front liners. They're great, waterproof. Like now I have no problem putting something in the trunk, having it possibly spill. Not that I'm going to do it on purpose, obviously, but if something spills accidentally in the front or the trunk, the water will be contained in there, or the liquid will be contained in there until, you know, unless you're driving crazy like Le Mans or something, you're swishing around, then obviously it's going to swish around up the sides. But if it's just a small little spill or leaking or anything like that, these mats, with them being waterproof, with its waterproof properties, there'll be no problems, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go check out TuxMat. Like I said, this isn't a paid. They didn't pay me, but like I said, they did give me the mats for free. So whether you want to consider that a paid advertisement or not, I don't consider it. They just did a favor for me because they liked the last video that I did with their mats, which, like I said, I paid full cost for those and shipping and everything. By the way, shipping is free. Get your mats. I'll put a link to the I'll put a link to TuxMat's website in the description below. If you got any comments or questions about the mats that I have right now, remember, these are the first ones on the market. I guess I'm not to be bragging or anything, but I got the very first ones. If you want ones yourself, go to the website and get it now. They fit awesome. They fit awesome. Till the next one, folks. See you later.